MG Srijit presented papers in international conference, published papers in Springer Journal. Ms. Kogal Priya and Induja finally CSE got special award for Motorola Scholar Program conducted by FAER. Mr. M. Naveen Selvakumar Priya Lakshmi selected for internship through CAO challenge by Cognizant Technology. S. Surendranath, T. Yogesh, A. Dinesh got first prize at PIT 14 Future Up. Mr. E.K. Muthuselva got invited by World Engineering Organization Forum to Argentina. Raghotaman Sachin got first prize for their paper presentation at CIT. Yes, Lavanya participated and secured 11th place at state level at Infosys. Kirtana and Venkataswamy got first prize at Infosys India for Aspiration 2020 programming contest. Madhusudanan, final year IT, got GATE score of 99.01 percentile. Kamalata, final year IT, got a GATE score of 96 percentile. K. Raghunathan Madhusudanan. Raghunathan. Hemalata. Wait. Raghunathan. Kirtana and Manopriya. First prize for their paper presentation. First prize for state level Tamil. Okay. Tanga Pandian got GATE score of 97.18 percentile. Karikishnan, second year biotech, got first prize in debate at Anna University, Chennai. Tejas Achyutan got first prize in chemical reaction event at Coimbatore Institute of Technology. Karthikeyan and Kamesh, second prize at Anna University, Chennai. Miss T. Ubia Margaret got selected as one among 37 candidates for Corona program. K. Siddharth selected for Summer Research Fellowship, IIT Bombay. Ms. V. Sindhu published papers in international journals. Padmavati, final year biotech, scored 93 percentile in GATE. K. Manoj, 90.735 percentile GATE score. Shakti Selvapriya, Rajeshwari, Kirtana, Sri Priyanga, involved in consultancy work at Infrac Limited, Hosur. Ganapriya Mogan published papers in national and international journals and special prize at Tamil Nadu Agricultural University for her. Hemnath published papers in national and international journals, presented posters also. Chitra Devi. Chitra Devi got secured 37 out of 100 for her GATE score. Instead of her mother is receiving the prize. Varun Krishna participated in Argentina speed program. K. Arumugam got first prize for paper president PAG. K. Gopinath participated in paper presentation in an international conference at USA. Nisantini Gogila, second prize for paper presentation National Institute of Technology. Ranjit Satyaprakash and Tyagarajan, first prize for debugging at Coimbatore Institute of Technology as well as algorithm development. Mr. R. Gautam won the trophy and got a certificate in National Student Management Games conducted by All India Management Association, New Delhi. Ms. Gayatri participated in many cycling contests, namely 800 meters time trial, 1600 meters mass start. Achiever award. Farewell awards. Now I invite farewell awardees to receive the memento. Department of Aeronautical, Harini Nivedita. Harini Nivedita. Civil Engineering, Arvind Kumaresan. Manoj Chitra, Ramya, Satish Kumar, all from Civil Engineering. Mechanical Engineering, Hariharan, Kritivasan, Mobin, Selva Kannan, Ramesh, Vasanta Kumar, Yoganandam, Yugendran, Yuva Shankar. Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Arun Vignesh, Madan Kumar, Bharati Priya, Laurencia, Gogul Siam, Prabalya, Raghupati, Saranya, Vibhulanandan and Sabarmati from Tripoli. Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Dharani, Hamsita, Hari, Shasan, Vishnu Vachas. Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Snega S, Sasi Kumar VC, Reyesi, Gayatri, Niveta, Satish Kumar, Aswin, Ramya, Jagdish LK Chand and Arun Kumar. Computer Science and Engineering, Gogol Priya, Induja, Nirvin, Manoj, Arun Karthik, Rishabha, Sindhamil Chilvi, Shavita, Vishnuvardhan, Aravind Raj. Vishnuvardhan Valling sir. Department of Information Technology, S. Divya, K. Hemalata, Jyoti Vignesh, Mageshwari, Navin, Syed Javid, Venkataswamy, Saranya, Sweta, Raunak Thakkar. Department of Textile Technology, B. Thangapandiyan, M. Nivas Kumar, S. Menaka, D. Susmita, R. Jagasthida. Jagasthida. Textiles. Biotechnology, Alamelu L, Baby Karthika, Abhinaya, Bhuvaneshwari and Manoj K. Fashion Technology. Fashion Technology, G. Anita, Mogila, Jayanti, Sonia, Ilakya. ME Engineering Design, Ganapati Selva Muthukumaran. ME Applied Electronics, Karthika Sajan P. Philip. ME Communication Systems, Ram Kumar Karthika. ME VLSI Design, B. Kumar M. Saumya. ME Embedded Systems, Dantini Jnana Prakasam. Kumar Saumya. ME Computer Science and Engineering, Satya C. Soundarya M. ME Software Engineering, M. Ambika, TG M. Jose. Department of Computer Applications, Jayanti Vakani, T. Sukumar, T. Yuvarani, MS Software Engineering, P. Anita, M. Priya. School of Management Studies, Karl Marx, Pradeep and Rangarajan. School of Management. Preeti and Swatmika. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. As a token of our love and gratitude, may we now request Mr. B. Saravanan, Managing Director, Banariamman Sugars Limited, to present the shawl and the memento to our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. A. Shivadanu Pillai, Distinguished Scientist and Chief Controller, Research and Development, DRDO, Delhi.
Thank you, sirs. May we now request our beloved Principal Dr. A. Shanmugam to propose a vote of thanks.
Most distinguished chief guests of the day, Padma Bhushan, Dr. A. Shivadanu Pillai, distinguished scientist and Chief Controller of Research and Development, DRDO, Ministry of Defence, New Delhi, and Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of Burma Aerospace, Distinguished Managing Director of Banariaman Sugars, New Delhi, Honorable Chairman of the Institute, Dr. S.V. Balasubramanian sir, Distinguished Managing Director of Banariaman Sugars Limited, B. Saravanan, respected advisor, Dr. M.P. Vijay Kumar, respected Chief Executive, Dr. A.M. Nadarajan, coordinator of the program, Dr. P. Tangaraj, distinguished guests and special invitees, beloved parents, dedicated member faculty, members of press and media, outgoing students and students of BIT, good evening to one and all present here. Let me first congratulate every one of you for having accomplished your task successfully and meaningfully in this campus. When you leave here today, you will take with you the fond memories of 4 years of stay in this campus. It is the end of one journey, but the beginning of another, what Chief Guest also told. Each of the successful student today is at the threshold from which one proceeds into the world of action full of opportunities. The discipline and education which you have received here would be your first and foremost asset. In your endeavors to get usefully and gainfully employed, you would be faced with the trials and tribulations, sometimes burdening and struggle for existence or even for survival. Success would depend upon the various factors, including opportunities, aptitude, hard work, and applications. While you reorient your lives and attitudes to tailor them to suit the requirements of the task that you would undertake, the institution, BIT, which has molded you, would expect you to remember the importance of morals, ethics, and discipline. You have brought laurels and fame to our institute in academic, curricular, and co-curricular activities. Like a mother, pride in her children's success, we are looking forward to a great and satisfying career of all the students of BIT, both in your professional and personal life. Above all, it gives me immense pleasure to acknowledge the presence of our chief guest, Padma Bhushan, Dr. A. Sivadhanupillai sir, admits with us today. Sir, you are truly a multi-faceted personality and a renowned scientist, and we indeed proud of you on this memorable occasion. Sir, we are extremely proud to you for having graced this occasion, and thank you for your captivating talk filled with words of wisdom, and immense pleasure in thanking you on this remarkable occasion. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. I express my gratitude to our beloved chairman, Dr. S.V. Balasubramanian sir, for his guidance and encouragement at every point of time in the administration of this great event. I also express my deep sense of gratitude to the Managing Director of Banariaman Sugars Limited, Sri B. Saravanan, for being with us on this important occasion. Thank you, sir. I also express my deep sense of gratitude to the advisor of our institute, Dr. M.P. Vijay Kumar, for his word of motivation and befitting pieces of advice for making the dual event an extremely occasion for this outgoing student and as well as for our students. I wish to place on record my sincere thanks to the Chief Executive of our institute, Dr. A.M. Nadarajan, whose sustained effect have made this as a remarkable function. I would like to express our grateful thanks to all distinguished guests, special invitees, alumnus, and proud parents who have come from different destinations for remarkable function. I wish to express our sincere thanks to media persons, both print and electronic media, for having given an extensive coverage to our program. I wholeheartedly congratulate all the learned members of faculty and staff and students on their wonderful accomplishments in organizing this event in a praiseworthy manner. While wishing you a great success in your life, our chairman has already indicated, I would like to remind you of your duties as the alumni of the alma mater. The real strength of any institution can be assessed by the pride one takes in calling himself or herself an alumnus of the institution. I believe that the institution has barred no holds in giving you the best of the facilities and opportunities, but substantial amount of guidance would have definitely come from the senior students who happen to study here wherever you did. Now, it is time for you to guide your juniors. As an alumnus of BIT, I hope you will identify, guide, and provide the best of advice and opportunities to the students who will tread the paths that you have beaten before. With this request and the joy of seeing you successfully turn into eminent engineers, I wish you all once again a happy and prosperous life. Thank you.
Now request our chief guest, Dr. A. Sivathanu Pillai, to address the gathering.
So when I was giving all the presents to the our BIT achievers and the outgoing students, I have seen smile at every face. Every face. They're smiling. I have seen in other institutions, I have given number of places I have given presents, presents or degrees and all. So they don't smile. Here they have smiled. Then I recollected a story which I thought I should tell you. See, there's a village, beautiful village, and a cool evening. And, it's a good story, not a bad story. That's why I want to tell you. So in the evening, in the pleasant evening, cool evening, a lady was walking between the gate of the house, that's the garden, and to her entrance of the house, walking up and down, frustrated, walking, looking for somebody, going like that. Big action. Suddenly he realized that there are 3 people already in their campus, in the, in the garden, or what corner. So she rushes to them to find out who are they. Looked at them. There are 3 old men standing there. Then she told, "Oh, you look to be very noble, you 3 men. Why don't you come and have some food? And it's very cold, don't stand outside." They said, "Don't worry, this all, we are used to that. But why are you going up and down? What happened to you?" Then she says, "My husband, we belong to a very rich family. But my husband today, he has lost all his business. He is frustrated. And because he lost business, he talks to some people for some money to start the business, and he doesn't get. Then when he comes home, he is more frustrated. So, but today he has not come yet. That's why I am going out and seeing." Then they told, "Don't worry, he will come. After he comes, if both of you invite together for food, we will take food." Then after some time the husband comes. He is a very, depressed man. Depressed means this is all life. Life is like that. That's why I am telling you. Depressed. So coming, and he was not caring for anything, head down, goes inside fast. Then the lady stops him and tells him, "See, we have got 3 guests. Let us show some good face to them, smiling face, and invite them." He said, "No, I cannot smile. I am at loss." Okay, come with me. Okay, there he goes. She only talks. She told them that we have come. Why don't you come inside? We will give you food. Then they said, "We will come one by one. You invite one by one." What is the meaning of one by one? Then they said, man 1, he represents success. The man 2, he represents wealth. The man 3, he represents love. You can call in any serial order. We will come one by one. But you think both of you together and decide. Then they go inside to debate whom we should call for, what is the order. So they were debating. Husband suddenly got a spirit, He thought that we will call that wealth man. Let me get some money from you. And wife says, "No, wealth man has not brought money for you. He is only representing wealth." Okay, success man? No. Like that they started debating. The wife finally tells him, "See, we want peace. Ultimately, what everybody wants is peace. Let us call the love man first," she says. So then they decide, okay, what is there in the serial order? Anyway, everybody will come. So they go and tell, "Mr. Love, you come." Then he comes. When he enters the entrance, other 2 also entered. "What is this? All 3 of you are coming?" "No, we will take food together." You said one by one. Where there is love, there is success and wealth. So what I am seeing here, you people are loving your institution. No? That means you have got success and wealth already with you. So you are great people. Thank you.
Of dutiful love. May we all rise for the national anthem and show our dutiful love to Mother India.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जाहे तव शुभाशिष माहे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे